Beetroot is a vibrant and beautiful looking veggie which is known for its distinctive taste and nutritional value. It happens to be a powerhouse of folate, potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. It not only purifies the blood but also stimulates the blood flow in the body. Apart from having numerous health benefits, beetroot has the ability to provide with a lot of beauty benefits as well. Its antibacterial properties help fight against bacteria. Other than this, it helps replenish the dead cells, fights against free radicals in the body, exfoliates the dead cells, and helps in getting rid of pigmentation. Here is a list of 5 beetroot face packs that can do wonders for your skin. Read on to know more about them. For dry skin, beetroot is an excellent source of antioxidants that can possibly increase the blood circulation in the body. To prepare this face pack, take 1 teaspoon of raw milk, 2 to 3 drops of almond oil or coconut oil, and 2 teaspoons of beetroot juice. Mix the ingredients properly, gently massage it onto your face, and allow it to stay for 10 minutes. Later, wash it off with plain water and watch out for results. For skin brightening. To prepare this skin brightening face pack, you will require orange peel powder and beetroot juice. Take a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of orange peel powder and 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice. Mix the ingredients together until a thick paste is formed. Apply it all over your face and wash it off using cold water. Repeat these steps on alternate days to see better results. For detanning, continuous exposure to the sun can lead to tanning, which can make our skin look dull and pale. Beetroot can help you get rid of tanning as well. Take 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and mix them together. Massage the face pack and let it dry for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done, rinse it off using normal water. Apply this beetroot face pack twice a week for better results. For smooth skin, this face pack will help replenish the moisture in your skin, leaving it supple and moist. You can prepare this face pack by adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt to 4 tablespoons of beetroot juice. Mix it well, and with the help of a cotton swab, apply this mixture on your face and neck. Leave it for 8 to 10 minutes and massage it gently. Rinse it off with warm water.